What are we building here, Papa?
Our patio. Our deck. Our tented screen deck. Down. A little bit of water.
And it's very light, Christian, so don't drop it.
Okay.
All right, so it's about a week until we officially come here, and we're here for about 2 months. We got the pad, the little patio done. Actually, Christian did most of it. I hurt myself. So. Anyway, so patio done, and little walkway here, which is really cute. So now we are going to walk the fence line again, just to check it out. Ready to go, Papa?
I am.
Okay, I'll follow your lead.
Let's go hunt spiders.
Doesn't matter if we get them one in the morning, they already have a nest in the afternoon. So you need a stick, or in Papa's case, a machete.
We're gonna head up on the road. We said we were gonna clean up.
Yes, true. Yeah, we need a machete to. So we got 2 wires here. Oh, I see the spider right there.
Where?
Right there. There you go. There's another one right there. Yeah, oh, you got him, but you moved him towards you. He's right here. There he is. Mm-hmm.
I can't see one of them right on.
It's hard, yeah. But I use a stick and just sort of...
Okay, just make sure all these are tied.
Mm-hmm. I'm checking. So So that's what we're doing. We're just checking to see if they're all tied to the post here. See that? I see him. Can't really get through here. There's a tree in the way, so we're gonna go around here onto the road. Yeah. Oh, these really hurt when you get them in your foot. Check.
Yeah, because he wouldn't really tell us if he was going to pay for his half of the common fence. There's our marker. There's a marker, so we made sure we put it inside our line.
Okay. Yeah, they put cement in the walls, and then they painted the sides of the walls. It has protective coating of some kind.
Oh, it's like a tar.
Mm-hmm. All right, so this is lot 5 still, right here. This is ours. All the way to that post is 5, and then it goes 4.
And that's where Dave's lot ends, right there.
Right here.
Right behind you.
Dave's lot ends at this pipe here. I did. When those guys came, I actually, right here, I went underneath and I went through. That's how I got onto our property.
Oh, that's a pretty one right there.
Mm-hmm. Very pretty. So it looks like the one on our side, like our main one, has only got 2. Is the only one that's got only 2. This one's got 3.
Yeah, he just said on the back side.
The back side, okay.
So really it's the blind side of the property, right?
Right.
Okay, I'm going to come through here.
Okay, so now we're on 4 still. Turned at the corner. You're checking the posts, right? To make sure they're all wired good.
Yeah, mostly.
Mm-hmm.
I'd love to see what will go into the or out of that hole. See what that.
Like you said, minimal. It's a fence. It's a fence that says this is somebody's property. It's private property. That's all you need. And there's Mama Cactus. Look how big that cactus is. It's beautiful. I mean, there are bigger ones. I have seen bigger ones. But this is the biggest one on our property. You can tell by the color. The color has changed already in 4 years. Let's go here. There's the fence. This is lot 5. This is from lot 5 this way. And this is lot 4 that way. Ooh, that's a nice tree. That's a nice bush right there. That's beautiful. Too bad it's on the road. This is my favorite spot. It looks like a doorway. The 2 cactus looks like a doorway. There's the truck. That's where the camper will be. The camper's gonna be right there, overlooking the ocean. This is where our first fire was. Got some more clearing there we did. And somebody left their garbage there from the road clearing, which we can use for firewood as well. And this is lot 8 right here. This lot here is lot 8. And this is our side here. Lot 5. The corner post. Let's just see the line here. Oh, we got right into the spider web again. They're everywhere. Spiders are everywhere. And there we go. So from the corner post down the line, you can see the other white post, and that's where lot 5 ends and lot 4 begins. And then this is lot 5 to our gate. 2 lines as well.
Free the girls.
Free the girls, and I got the whole fence.
I don't know. Do you want to burn it, or do you just want to lie it down along the fence, or do you want a clean fence line?
No, just leave it along the fence. I don't care. Like I said, it's gonna be au naturel. The more we have along the fence line, the less likely that dog's gonna come in here.
Well, he's gonna find a way.
Oh, he'll find a way, but I'm just saying, less likely. So that was a tour of the fence line. And eventually we'll get it'll be cleared, and it'll be nice to have a nice clean fence line. I agree with you, Christian. We should have a nice clean fence line, but for right now, it's okay. I mean, rustic is good too, right? I keep this in my hat. It's very windy.